What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So I got another package from Jimmy Crow for my next giveaway, which I'll be doing at 400 subs. I'm at 369 right now. So if you want a chance to win this, plus like a whole bunch of other stuff I'm going to throw in there, just go ahead and subscribe. And once I get to that number, I'll get this out the door to one lucky winner. So thank you, Jimmy, for having faith in my little channel and sending me this cool stuff to make my giveaway so awesome. Let's see what we got. All right. So he sends a letter that describes everything. So it's a Kershaw chive. That's a nice little guy. Cool little knife. Knife was donated by Trevor at Blue Collar Trevor. Well, thanks, Trevor, for donating so Jimmy can do stuff to the knife and send it out to people like me. I did a lost and found finish on the scales. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Keyring was donated by Kelly White. Oh yeah, by the way, I do got a package of lanyard stuff coming from Kelly, which means I officially hit the big time. If you get something from Kelly, that means you know you've made it and you're on your way. So Kelly, thank you for very much, and I'll take a look at that when it comes and make a quick video to show everybody what you sent me and what you do for the community. You're awesome, Kelly. And Jimmy, of course, you're awesome too. But congratulations on your channel's growth, my friend. Jimmy, you are a saint, true brother. I thank you so much. And let's see what we got. So yeah, you got a little swag pack. Let's look at that first. Get that out of the way. All right, so it looks, yeah, he said there's a lanyard from Kelly. It's pretty cool looking, little DNA keychain thing. And we got Jimmy Crow brand Band-Aid, stamped and approved. Got two of those. I'm gonna have to keep one and send one because I used one of them before. Dark mode from Blade Binge. Okay, we got a Crow's Blade. I don't know if I have any. This is the other Mr. Crow. So we got Jimmy Crow, and then we got Ron Crow. Ron Crow spells it wrong according to Jimmy, but yeah, Ron actually won my last giveaway. So congratulations again, Ron. I hope you're enjoying the stuff. I don't know if I have any of his stickers, but I don't know. Oh, by the way, yeah, I did. I won a giveaway from Ken Faulkner. And I think some of y'all probably already know that. It should be here any day now, but it's a whole bunch of stickers. So these all might be repeats once I get Ken's packages. So I'm looking forward to that. I'll make a video on that one too, Ken. But yeah, so we got a Crow's Blades. Now, here's a cool sticker. Look at that. I wonder if, yeah, he probably has On the Edge make his too, I bet. Anyway. Then we got a Weldon Carey, Hunter O'Neill. So yeah, Hunter just got his channel back a few weeks ago. You know, got scammed in really crappy situation, but it all worked out. He's doing great things at his channel. So if you don't know about his channel, I'm sure you do. Go check him out. But yeah, I just sent him some stickers too. So he's going to have some Shiro stuff to give out in his next giveaway. But Hunter, keep it up, man. You're doing awesome. Then we got my buddy Robert. You know, I still have, I got a whole bag of stickers from him. So I'll give these away because I have a bunch more. But yeah, Robert's channel also, he tells it like it is, man. It's like he's a good guy and he does great content. So go check his channel out if you haven't already, or scan that. Let me hold it real quick. Okay, let me see. Scan it. Pause and scan. But I'm sure most of you guys are on Robert's channel already anyways. But then we got some Jimmy Crow stickers. I'll give out one, keep some for other giveaways. Barbie EDC girl, I do believe I have one of hers already, but so we'll probably give that away. And I think Ken's sending me one of those too. I'm telling you, this package from Ken's gonna be nuts. I can't wait to open it up. But I don't think I have one of Trisha's stickers. Again, might be in the Ken package, but if not, I'll keep this one because I do want one of hers. And then we got this Life Without a Knife is Dull and Pointless. I might have to keep this one. Pretty much shows all the blade shapes and stuff because I always make mistakes and call, like, you know, a drop point a clip point or a sheep's foot a freaking whatever. So yeah, maybe I'll keep this and put it right here so I could have a visual reference of what knives look like. Anyway, we'll see, but I might keep it. Let's get the knife out, and I'm gonna open it here off camera because I don't want to look like an idiot. It's in bubble wrap. Oh, okay, I got it out. Bubble wrap on the side, and here it is. Now that is a cool little knife. Wow, like look at it in my hand, just a little baby. That thing's so cool. But look at the scale. That's what he did to the scales. He just gave it like that nice patina look, just very cool looking. Wow, that's neat. That is a cool little knife. Wow, look at that. Yeah, that's nice. I almost said the S word. Oh wow. Let's pop it open real quick if I can. Can I do the thumb I don't even. I can't manipulate this thing. That's probably why he sent it to me. He knows I have big dumb hands, and I wouldn't be tempted to keep it. But that is a cool little knife. Look at that thing. Check the ergos. Just a little guy. Oh wow, super solid, of course. Nice little Kershaw. Nice. Has a date on there and everything. July '05. I don't have much information on this knife, but maybe I'll look something up. But yeah, that's a cool little knife. Wow. Let's compare it to, let's see, just so you get a size reference. I got the Miguron right here. Now that's a little dude. That's a little guy there. But that's going to be the main focus of my giveaway. And like I said, I'm going to throw some other stuff in there, a bunch of swag. Yeah. So when I hit 400, this is going to go out the door. Not this. That's mine. This one's going to go out the door. Plus, I'll add some other goodies and stuff. But thank you so much, Jimmie. This is so cool. I'll show you guys the scales again. Both sides. It's got that cool, what do you call it? Lost and found, like patina look on there. Very, very cool looking. So yeah, 400 subs. I'll do I'll do one of those comment videos and give this thing away. So if you're not subscribed and you want a chance, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys all for watching. Thank you, Jimmie, so much, and Kelly for this, and all you guys who made these stickers. Thank you all so much. And next giveaway, that'll go out. But thank you, my veteran brothers and sisters. Thank you all you military folks out there. Keep safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.